You can always add more. I'll say 3 spoons because I got a lot of meat here, okay? Alright, so now I wear my gloves here and I'm gonna massage it. You put a lot of love to the food and the food will come out good. Alright, I'm showing you guys the easy way to make it, and this is gonna go in the oven for 400. I'm gonna dump it right here. At least 3 hours. And then I'm gonna come back later on. I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm gonna go off the camera right now. See you in 3 hours. The longer you can always do it, it's better. So I'll just leave it here. Now, the oven is ready. So I'm gonna put the meat inside the oven. Give me a second. It's gonna go for 2 hours. Alright, I'm using corn oil. It's the easiest way I'm gonna show you guys. Last time I boiled the meat, if you remember, I boiled the goat meat and I used the water of the goat into the rice. But this time I'm using the healthy way a little bit, which is just boiling just regular water, and then I'm gonna use that water to cook Somali rice. Alright, so I'm gonna making the rice. That's the garlic. You got 8 garlics. And I'm gonna put the onion in. Let it simmer together. So you want to put the salt now. Somehow salt will kick the flavor. Instead of later, you know what I mean? This is the easiest way that I can show you guys how, ladies and guys out there who want to learn how to cook rice, Somali rice. It's very simple, it's easy, it's not that hard. You just gotta love cooking food, man. You gotta love it. Which I do, I love cooking. I love cooking. So, you wait for that onion to become a little goldish, gold. Nothing gets wasted here. Trust me, this is 3 days food for us. It's 8, so we're just gonna enjoy it. The rice is ready. Alright, now I'm gonna put the cube, cilantro in, and you got the hawaj, which is a 2 tablespoon of full. I'm gonna mix this together. You'll smell it. Oh wow, smells good. Gotta fry. Yeah. So when you get it fried a little bit. See, I got the water boiling here with all the cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. It's boiling. That flavor will go inside the rice. So I said, it's only 10 minutes to cook rice, honestly. A lot of people are just lazy to cook. Put the rice in now. Nothing gets wasted, I told you. Havan, Daddy. Okay. My boys are just fussing over there, and I'm doing a video, believe it or not. So now you mix this together. This time I'm not gonna skip nothing, because last time I did, and somebody emailed me and said, please, can you just do the whole video step by step? No, that's the fire. I'm not gonna lower it now. You don't want to lower it now. Alright. So you guys who doesn't know have to measure exactly how much water to put. So we use this cup, 3 cups of rice. So I'm gonna put basically For each cup, 1.5 of these. All right? Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. Me, I don't really watch it, but that's how you want to do it. So now it came to boil. What I'm gonna do, actually, I'll show you guys. Very simple.
Rice is boiling.
It come to boil now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it down to low. Use a foil, and I'm gonna cover it. So this way, it keeps all the steam in, and it cooks a little faster. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I keep until the water sucks in, the rice sucks in all the water, then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes to finish it up. So, till then, I don't even need this water no more. I'm gonna cut that one off. That's how you cook rice. See, it's not that hard. So stay with me and I'm gonna show you till the end of this. You're probably wondering what I'm doing with all these onions. Trust me, after I'll be done with this, you're gonna like it. I'm gonna show you how to impress your lady. All right, just watch. You want to wait this, I want these onions to change the color. Almost not burn. I'll say dark gold color. Once it gets to dark gold color, it's going to go on the rice. That's the finish work, the finish on the plate. And it's going to taste good. It gives a little texture to the meat, to the rice. You're going to love it. Just try it and let me know if you like it. And if you do, I'll really appreciate if you tried my video, that you can put your comment below how easy was it to make a Somali rice, okay? Thank you. Just depends how much you like it. My son likes it, so I put a lot. And then I'm gonna put the food coloring, which is I'm using. You can use any kind that you can buy from the superstore. All right. So I'm gonna put the food color one corner. Just to give it a little, just a little color. Meanwhile, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven. The rice is already cooked, so I want to give it that little, like Somali will say, "Wa hurina wahir, wahira hurina." That means just you want to make it a little bit finished product really well. Then you shut it down, and my onions are coming brown together a little bit slowly. This video is going to be really long. That's why last time I rushed the video, because I like to make a video, I'll say probably 7 to 8 minutes. Past 7 to 8 minutes, I find it's like a little bit boring for somebody just to stay to the video till the end. But since my friend requested it, please can you just do it slowly? I want to see exactly how you do it. So I'm doing it, so I hope all you guys will like it. Thank you. See, the processing of the onions to make it a little bit gold, like dark gold, is a little bit longer than making the rice. But anyway, this is what you want to do. You want to get this onion to become gold. Once it does, trust me. No, gold. I want like dark gold. Okay? So, trust me, it gives a nice flavor to the rice. And you're gonna say, wow, you are right, man. You are right. This I learned from my mom. Everything I'm cooking here is what I learned from my mom. Watching my mom every day cooking.
Courtesy of Uma.
Yeah, courtesy of my mom. But it took me a long time to learn exactly how she cooks. But anyway, see, this process takes long. But anyway, the rice is ready. I'm going to show you guys the rice is ready. Let me move it this way a little bit. Voila! Bariska is ready, Waria. Okay. Final work is done over there. Just came out of the oven. Now we're going to go look at the meat. Hey, can you go over there? Look at this guy. He's fighting with me. Yeah, see that little gold? I have specific color that I like to see on the onion. And some guys, what they do is actually they give it a little bit light brown and they put a food coloring, which is, I tried but I never liked it. So I always go back to the original how my mom used to cook, which is like give it a like little, not burn but not light. You want to keep it that beautiful goldish brown color, okay, which is getting there. See now, that's it. This is the color I like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it off. This is the color that I like. Off. I'm gonna grab show you guys how to get it out. You don't want all that oil. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to empty it out. You're gonna grab a little bowl here. You put a couple napkins. If you want to impress a lady or a guy, this is how you do it. This one takes longer than making the rice, believe it or not. Alright? So, I don't want to put the whole oil in there. So you just want to give it a little time. As I said on my previous video, you don't want to eat this every day. Okay, so you just want to eat it once in a while. Treat yourself. And enjoy life a little bit. With a diet food all day, you know, I go to the gym every day, and I try not to eat this food every day. Trust me, otherwise it's not really too healthy either. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this about 2 to 3 minutes, let it cool off a little bit, and let the oil sucks out to the napkin here, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final plate, how everything came out together. Okay. Now the meat has been about an hour, I think, on the oven. I got 1 more hour to cook. But what I want to do is I want to stir it. I want to just mix it a little bit. Get the bottom out a little bit. Just repeat this process for an hour. All right, put it back. That needs about an hour and a half to go. Since because it's a lot of meat, it will take a little longer than I expected it. So be patient with me, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.
Me and Mommy and Gutu, we work together, and this is what it looks like.
Shoot the ball around. He is the shooter. There is no question about it. He will shoot it from anywhere on the ice.
Okay, that's it.
He's got depth of the shot.
So this is the final work of the rice that you guys requested it. I did my best, okay? So I got the meat in there. You know, sabto kusoo dhawaada, the Somali way, right? So just remember, ain't nothing hard to do if you're not gonna try. Just. So are you guys ready to eat? What are we gonna say? Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Yes, exactly. All right. See, this is how you eat Somali rice. You get the banana, get ready done. Teach the boys how to eat Somali rice. All right, let's go. Grab the banana first. All right. Come on, let's go. All right.
Good to dig in, good.
Come on. So you requested it, so I did it. Do me a favor. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Thank you.